How to buy USDT for SVC transaction. Go to www.savvycoin.world. Click login if you have an account. Enter your account data and click login. Click USDT wallet and click buy balance. Fill in the column with the amount of USDT you want to buy. Copy your wallet address for transaction. When your transaction has been completed, click confirmation. Upload proof of your transaction and enter your PIN. Then click send confirmation. You have confirmed and wait for the system to confirm your transaction. Go to balance USDT and this is your balance before the system confirm. After the system confirms your transaction, your USDT balance will appear in balance according to the number of transactions. Thank you.